That's what happens when you're so deeply imagine. Oh yeah. And that's what happens.
Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Razor here with a brand new video. Today we're doing a little thing where we roll a ribbon and yeah, we do things like that. Equinox Prime just got launched, so I've been sitting here farming, but I wanted to do a quick little video on this ribbon that I got. But as you can see, Equinox Prime is out. I have a bunch of the relics currently farming for more. We have the Z3, we have the Meso M3 and then which has thinner optics, and then the E2, Equinox systems, things like that. We have a bunch of different relics farming, but yeah, let's get into the Riven. We currently have 91,000 Kuva, pretty much 100,000. We've already done a couple rolls on this thing, but yeah, this is a Lanka Riven we're rolling today, so hopefully we get something good. I am assisted by my lovely girlfriend, who is going to be giving us her RNG because she never plays this game. So, yeah, thanks for the RNG, babe.
Operator, did you hear that? It said,
What, you want to roll it?
cosmic background
Go ahead
radiation
and
is a
roll it.
riot.
I'm gonna be mad if we get something good though.
Why? Because I'm gonna stop. Okay, that's not good.
This one.
Yeah, just go back to the previous one. Previous one I have there's crit chance, fire rate, and cold with minus zoom, which isn't bad, but it's not that good. Crit chance, mag, status chance, negative crit damage. No. No, thank you. Okay. Yeah, just keep on rolling. It's like that meme song. Keep on rolling. No. No, 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 no. No, no, oh my god. No, stop. She's driving me nuts right now. I swear, if you actually cycle it and confirm it, I'm gonna be so mad. But it's whatever, it's just a game, it's just pixels. No, no, that. Projectile flight speed on Lanka? What? Okay, anyways. We got... No, oh my god, no. Uh, oh boy.
I like Greniers.
Huh?
I like Greniers for some reason.
You like Greniers?
Every time
Yeah. Oh boy, no. No, plus zoom. The plus zoom ribbon. No. Don't give me this. And crit damage multi-shot. Okay. Okay, that's a contender there. Crit damage multi-shot negative damage to Corpus. What do I take here? Because the other one has crit chance. Yeah, what's up, Pandas, Merp, Corey, Dashy? I don't know. By the way, we're live on Twitch, YouTube, so yeah, we're currently recording this live, so yeah, you know. Anyways, welcome to the stream. What do we take? What do we take? Crit damage, or do we want the crit chance? Well, I guess I have no say in it now. I guess I have no say in it now. Guess we're taking crit damage. Okay. However, that's better. Sorry about the name. It's all good, dude. It's all good. I'm just gonna call you Pandas. That's cool. Take yeah, take that one. It's less multi-shot, but the crit chance definitely might get us into red crits. So that's definitely worth it, but it's not the best yet. We need crit chance, crit damage, and multi-shot. That's what we really need. No, 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 no. Okay. Keep on rolling. What? No.
I know what's no.
Oh yeah, you know what's
Yeah,
no?
watch. I can tell you.
Yeah, okay. Go ahead, go ahead. That's my nickname? Okay, cool.
That's bad.
Yes, that is bad. That is very bad.
Oh, I know what I'm doing.
Okay, I'm glad you know what you're doing. You're rolling a riff. I hope the YouTube recording can actually hear this. Yeah. At least hear you, but... got a couple more rolls here. No. Damage to Grenier again. Why? Why do you like the Grenier so much?
It likes
Crit damage, reload speed, cold. No, thank you. Okay. No. Damage to Grenier again. What is with this? I would like crit chance, crit damage, multi-shot, negative zoom. That'd be ideal here. That's not ideal. That's negative damage. No, I don't want that. Crit damage. No, no, thank you. Alright, are we gonna get the God roll? That's not the God roll. That's not it. Okay, keep rolling. We only got like 10 more rolls. He'll probably put us at like 30. So, status crit chance. How much Kuva How much Kuva do you have? I have like 35,000 left, probably. Not much left. We only farmed up like 95,000, something like that. Status crit chance. Status chance, crit chance, reload speed, negative zoom. That's actually really good utility, but we get rid of the multi-shot. Oof.
there's one crit chance.
Yeah, there's an extra like 10% crit chance there. I need 3,000. Need 3,000 Kuva. Don't we all? I don't know. This is a tough one. This is tough. I need a second opinion here. I mean, the reload speed's nice. The negative zoom's nice. The crit chance is nice. Status chance, I don't think it really does anything for Lanka. I mean, because we're just proccing radiation for Eidolons. I'm not entirely sure, though. Hmm. What do we do here? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Let's plug it into a damage calculator. We're gonna cut this out of the video. We're gonna plug it into a damage calculator and see what the difference is. All right, so we're back. We have confirmed that the Lanka Satikron is a better roll via the DPS calculator. So, yeah, I can't really show it, but it's on stream. It is better to go with this one. So we're gonna take it and move on and hope for the God roll. Still, we want crit chance, crit damage, multi-shot with negative zoom. Can we get it within these next 10 rolls? Please. Give me some RNG. Give me some RNG in chat, boys. Give me some RNG. No, we don't want that. We don't want... I mean, the plus damage is nice, but no. Alright, 9 more rolls. Not looking. Not looking. Just get that out of here. Oh my god. Oh, come on, RNG. Come on. Oh, I forgot. The stream can't see it. The stream can't see it. Oh no. I forgot. I'm a bad streamer. Okay. So, that's bad. It's got plus zoom. Hold on here. Okay. Continue. Girlfriend is still bearing with me. Still rolling this. Just rub the forehead. Just rub the forehead. She's making a weird face. Give me the god roll. That's not the god roll. No. Oh god. I can't look anymore. I can't. No. Oh my god. Stop. Stop with the damage to Grenier and the plus zoom. It's so bad. Oh no. We're running out of Kuva. No, the plus zoom. Ew. So bad. Okay. Got like 2 more rolls or something like that. No, we're not taking that. All right. Got enough for 2 more, actually. All right, can we get some RNG in chat for this last roll? This last roll. RNG bless, please. Just bless us with this roll. Oh my god, please. Oh, the Kuva. No, don't go to waste. Okay. Um. What? Yikes. I'm gonna have to do some calculations on this one. I was not expecting a good roll on the last one. Oh god. Okay. My finger. Anyway. Anyways. All right. YouTube video. We are back. Yeah. So we're taking this. This actually gets us into red crits. So 31 rolls. We got a damage crit chance, negative flight speed for the Lanka. So let's go ahead and check it out here. Upgrade. There it is. 102.9 crit chance. Oh my god. I want to go shoot this at something. So we're gonna go to the who is that? That is my girlfriend, by the way. Twitch chat is asking who's in the background over here. I think we need to go to Saturn or Mercury. I think we're gonna go to the Ronda Relay. We're gonna go to the testing area. I forget what it's called, but we're gonna go there, and we're gonna shoot this thing. We are going to shoot this thing. All right, here we go. Oh my god. If this is actually red crits, this is gonna be so disgusting. I wonder if we can test Eidolons yet inside this thing. Go around this way. I think it's right over here. No, this is not it. Okay, we gotta go upstairs. Upstairs we go. And in we go. Yeah, it's right here. What is it called? What are you? The simulacrum. Right. All right, YouTube. We found out it's called the simulacrum. So here we are. We're here. We got the Lanka equipped. Let's go and figure out what we can spawn in that's really high. What's the maximum level we can set this up to? 110. Yeah, let's set it to 110. 110. Select. This is a corrupted heavy gunner, level 10, pause AI, simulate. Alright, let's go check it out. We're not doing anything in particular. We're just going to go ahead and check with an 8 times headshot. Okay. Okay, so this is guaranteed crits now. Not bad. Not the best, but not bad. Okay, so can we spawn an Eidolon in here? Please tell me you can. Eidolons, where are the Eidolons? No? No Eidolons? Really? Huh. Terror list. No, we just get Terran. Anyways, so let's go ahead and 110. That's not too bad, but let's try something else here. Let's try something like corrupted ancient. Let's try this. You have so much stuff. Yes, I know I do. Okay, so it one-shot him instantly. But the corrupted Leech Xmas. Does not one shot. Oh boy, gotta reload here. Alright, now let's break into a different frame here. Boop. Let's equip. Let's go to our main. What we'd actually go with on Eidolon hunting. We go with Rhino, obviously. And a carrier. Nothing too particular. We're just gonna fun Iron Scan. And we're gonna use our roar. Right, we need to re-simulate this since we just killed those guys. Right. Simulate. Here we go. And roar going. And oh yeah. That's a lot of damage. Oh yeah. This is definitely gonna be nice for Eidolon hunting. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. That is the Lanka Riven rerolling session. We may do more of these here in the future, but we may also come back to this. But there it is. Damage crit chance, 102.9% crit chance. Negative projectile flight speed. Doesn't really affect it. We do have the radiation charges there, so everything is yeah. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up the video. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a like, subscribe, whatever. More Warframe content to come. Yeah.
I want to go, so take me to Neverland.